Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spotlight or a moonlight on CapCut PC. I'll just use this video and we'll just copy and paste that. I'm just going to mask the second video for the spotlight, and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit. On the first video, you can go to blend mode and adjust the opacity here just to make it darker. But not too dark, maybe like this dark, and I'll just go back to the mask and feather it not too much, maybe 4%. If you want the mask to follow the person, you can absolutely do that by adding keyframes and just following the person here and their movement. Like that. I'm not going to do the rest though because it's going to take me a long time. This is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!